Oh, you did press up.
I thought you pressed up.
Wait, I swear you pressed up.
I pressed down.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Oh. Oh, these are hydraulic. Yeah, these go the same speed as some ThyssenKrupp tractions we've found.
I'm surprised these are unlocked.
It's a permit.
I came here like a couple years ago, they were locked. It's a pretty typical cab, I feel like, for just permits, sort of just like the wood with the stainless steel and the...
Yeah. Hoping for Synergy too.
Get down here. I hope we can get out.